parang nasa Japan ka din, no? Ang ganda ng kanilang facade, yung design o design ng labas. Siguro sa gabi may mga ilaw-ilaw yan, no? Mitsukoshi statue of lion. Palagay po dito kung saan siya unang inilagay. Okay, sa main store daw ng Mitsukoshi main store in 1914. So it has become Mitsukoshi's symbol, which has welcomed a lot of customers and has been well loved over the years. Ayan po, screenshot nyo na lang po yan. So for the first time, the statue crossed the sea all the way from Japan to the Philippines to welcome the mall customers. Ayan pala, ito siya oh. At papasok tayo sa Mitsukoshi for the first time. Syempre kilala niyo po ito, si Doraemon. Thank you. Ayan. Japanese mall. Iba yung plano natin, iba na napuntahan. It's a surprise, which is a good surprise, 'di ba? Ayan oh. Ano po yan, ma'am?
You have to shake the box lang po.
And then, after shaking the box, make a wish?
Yes, ma'am. You will get.
But do we need to shop before we go and
No, it's free,
get?
ma'am.
It's free. Shake the box and then what to do? Which box will I shake? This one?
This one, ma'am. It's a Mikoji box.
Omikud. Wow. Oh, ang lakas mo. Lakas niya po. So, is that for me? It's yours.
No,
Pwede na.
You
Oo.
have to shake the box.
Oo. Ako ang mag-shake. Tapos kukunin po natin. Wow. Ano po tawag sa ganito? Omikoji fortune. Omikoji fortune. New Year. Ito po. Okay. Ito na po yung ating stick. So, ano sa ating ganito po eh. Tama po kayo ng ano po yan? Small blessing. Pero blessing pa rin sabi ni ate. Ayan po. So, where do I put this? Small blessing. You have to fold that one 3 times and then twice. Okay. And then nakalagay siya, oh. You may experience small gains. Ayan guys, up to 3rd level. Doon po sa taas yung Japan House. Ang dami nilang mga ano doon. Tapos meron Japan Daiso. Okay, the Christmas tree. Yan si Doraemon. That's Doraemon. Are you one of his fan? Are you a fan of Doraemon? Ayan. So, enjoy nyo po. Dito lang sa The Season Residences. Dito po sa Mitsukoshi. Mitsukoshi, a Japanese store here at BGC. Ayan. Daming Doraemon, no? Okay. Siguro these are the last Christmas trees that we will be seeing for 2026, no? Sa itong January. Kasi syempre, next year po ulit. Next year po ulit, matcha, organic matcha. Ay, ito pala mga dolls, Japanese favorites. Uy. Cute. 1,000 din siya, guys. 2,000 po itong egg na ito. Ito naman, how much is that? Ewan ko ba, 1,000 something. 1,000 plus. Ito. Please handle with care. Oh. Ay, ang cute nila, oh. Ang cute nilang dalawa. chopsticks. O kahit naman gumamit tayo ng kanilang seremonyas kanina, iba po yung talagang believer ka, di ba? Kaysa yung you are just doing it for fun. Oo, without any offense naman po dun sa kanilang ano, no? Kasi sharing of culture nga po tayo. Just sharing each other's culture. Authentic items from Japan. Totoo po yan. Galing, oh. Mga authentic items from Japan. Cutie. Ayan, 499 for this keychain. At saka syempre, pag Japan, may fan. O, diba? Fan is there. One of the greatest symbols. At iinom ka ba? Meron siyang mga ganito. How much is one like this? One shot lang to eh. Ayan, oh. Uy, $7.99 din. Yung one shot mo. If you're drinking, hindi naman ako umiinom. Tubig lang. Lounge. Ayan, the Matcha Tokyo. The Matcha Tokyo. O, di ba yung sound talagang Japanese, no? So, wala tayong magagawa dyan. Talagang meron siyang, part of the background music dito po sa Mitsukoshi. Snidel, yung mga clothes nila. Yan, Japanese na mga clothes. O, sale din naman po sila. Okay, mga bags sa Snidel. Tsaka ang ganda ng fully book nila sa taas, ha. Meron po silang fully book doon. Tried to ask doon sa tapos meron silang mga chairs like this. We can sit down if you get tired. And I will sit down right now. Ayan po. So it's cozy. Just like Japan. Kanebo is a Japanese brand of cosmetics. Meron tayong kawaii doon. Mitsukoshi Beauty. And then, ayan, Kanmei. Ganda. Bago po yata si Kanmei sa Kapil Ani. May langis. Okay, ito po yung kanilang mga sale. 50% off sa mga food. Pasta snack. Luluto mo pa pala yan. Jindako. Ano pa? Wow. So, how much na lang siya? Kung mag 50% less, I don't know how much that is. Magkano na lang siya? Ay, 450. Eh, di ano pa rin? 225. 225. Ayan siya, guys. Para makita nyo lang po yung loob, no? This is the ground floor. Nagpunta tayo ng second floor kanina, tapos hanggang third floor. And then, nagpunta din tayo dun sa food court downstairs. At eto na yung lobby niya. Hi. Konnichiwa. Guys, arigato. Ayan na. Bye, lion. Mitsukoshi, statue of lion. Bye, Mitsukoshi. I had fun during my first time at Mitsukoshi. Sige, let's go home na. Ay, I need to go there. Kasi yung maganda pala kanina na yun. Galing pala yun sa Mitsukoshi. So, hindi na po tayo nakapunta ng dapat nating puntahan na Uptown Mall. Instead, dito na tayo nakapasok. At saka sa Landers, syempre. Okay, so tuloy-tuloy na lang po natin. At then, we'll look for the bus coming from BGC going to Ayala. Tapos dun sasakay tayo ng ating MRT. Ito na yung doll that we saw. Okay, kanina pa po. Ayan, nakita natin, no? Ayan po, oh. Konnichiwa, I'm Mitsuko. Koheshi doll who traveled to Manila all the way from Japan. The Seasons Residences is my home. Kokeshi dolls are traditional handcrafted wooden dolls from northern Japan, known for our simple design with round heads and tube-like bodies. So I am so excited to introduce you to all the good things about Japan. The delicious food, the beautiful seasons, and the unique Japanese products. All here at Mitsukoshi BGC. Yan po siya, oh. Hello, Mitsukoshi. Uy, may bag ka pala. Your handbag is so cute. Look at you. Ang ganda, oh. Ang cute pala ni Mitsukoshi, oh. May bag pala siya na matching. And then yung kanyang hair decor, or how do you call that, ornament for the hair. It's also blue and gold.